The case are hotel for our before
na we are
hotel for no. If you say one, Sanko for no musro dada. Omunya near Bruswo. We are killing each other because of political influence. But what you say? And you can't train for now. Before Yenny Jam, Mano, Yenny Rastafarians. Righteous African stands tall alone. That is Rasta. You can't say Rasta, sir. And you are calling we are Baman and near Chichiakom. No, Rastafarians are black people.
I'm just crap part to our calculator for me to you.
Now, the last one is justice. You can't do my ass. Yes, every black man is a justice man. All these political leaders and black people in the society are evil. They are influenced by politics. So the white man sat down to understand that before we can subvert these people to our authority, we have to introduce democracy or politics, because they don't know anything about that.
Jirikajiri, herbal mixture. Menyano, majimi 3 points. Jirikajiri herbal mixture, majimi 3 points.
To forfan war power specialist herbal clinics.
Right now, we saw for Mobibi Aqua, Baba Kumasi online television. Aha, a Dominic Guha, aha, and that prophet of Patafo. Then the other one share boss and I what you send or the Neba or the Naba or the OCI or you. I'm a prophet of Patafo Abekai and Sao, and then some the dorsal. Somewhere to Chaba, the beer no way Yahumka. I would debate a cigana, and some I can be or her a tossum. But yenti min kanesa abra yem misa prophet of Patafo awiyem remudi nyamidi fo kese ba ko a wo abeka yensa wo ha no asante memu Ghana memu wiase afa na nyina de wagini din amobi ahu se mpo papa no nyamensa wo no so bensam bi wo so a kire yebo a one ye to yensa frɛ no prophet of Patafo samna me ka se wo abeka yensa wo ha prophet memu akwa aba bibia bokode ohun so ayefe pa Dani Adawoma the CEO what ha wo share boss na wo twesende wo de wo baba wo de waba kofi so te ha kire dendende a na wo twim ono so obo adwuma papa prophet akwa ba biem yansam ne doso ba ansa na no prophet o de yentie we mra
ewiase na hokwa yekwa yebai wotamfo bisa yen huhumu yade kwankro bi da wo so wafo a woni won sinsuo nyina yeyi agyaw adwuma a wafo nyina yenye sika no nko ye bia na ye basa sika wodi wura wadwadie mu nye kuma enso ni nyina hye wope huhumu bambo wope se wugina wo sika na wadwadie ana wo se huhumu ha oben emu wani ngu sa ha yimu bia so na efridi efre ane na ye bisa se ne fakwa bia so ne he ye chechire ade so aso wodifo nti yemfa ni nyina nkoda wodifo for Patafo wa the zenith of the heavens gathering ano odifo yi awurade de ne saka no pa enti se ba huhumu nsam dia oya yurampim wasiedu ono na pata huhumu ntokwa bia enti ne yefre no Patafo osofo ana odifo a wo pa huhumu nwosra ade aye awurade adwuma hwe odifo Patafo akira kwai na obeye hia ye nam fra 0540770896 ana 0206566150 odifo Patafo pa kunchira na sibra na kuei wo wura pasachia wo bodomja kan chire brachire hunade sa wansan antrebu na afaka bonsu jampantudu mirikisi pantampram katachie basa yiri fiado yewo mu awurade difo wo yo Patafo ampa o adwuma
right now we shall for Mobibi Aqua prophet of Patafo send a medical mama nyan ntie no o wo studio a prophet ya Aqua ba biem ensem bebre koso Ghana ha na ye so Kumasi online de o de yan o de asem tada bi ansem ni bi wa kofi kofa ba ya ne da ni bobi egu ba we de na no pe ya ko ho ntokwa am se me ma ne mfentu nchen ye be bisa prophet of Patafo yenko yehu ye Bible ana yenko sum Jesus ya wa ba Jesus Adawoma men ka se me mpe Jesus ye nyina ye di wachi Adawoma ba wa na di ye wuram ansiro ani brisam na ba prophet tete no ohun no achi na dani kura ka se bi mre bi o mo ko da o me o se o say ekudru kuro ne so a yentupunu mo
okay
yentupunu usuro kura se obewuro obi dem ana abeko obi fie se okofa bibi all because say yetete abosom na ayesom no omo ye justice udi boni a ye fire ye kum enti obi kura ni mmiri obi bibi ana madawo ma mudi Kristo som kura de me fansa afi no abatetefo na be ye bi ba Kristo som Bible sam amode ba Africa de be dada ye nya tete no ni ye suro ye ho ye mpe ho asem onam kura ko obi afuom obi fo obi bibi ba na ye se agi Kristo adi ye suro nyame kuta Bible no boni kase na ekoso obi di obi awu obi fo obi ade kura na ye mu nhye no Prophet Opatafo we nyina me ehu se mrofo no aso mo di yawu broni fita wa meboa ye because ye tete no na ye obi bone a ne yam hye no ofo obi ade a ehu bo no ba se si amrofo na ya ma ye ni o machi ya magi Jesus ni ya bagi na di ana o ma se twa mo ho adi yani Bible ye fa Bible obeka Bible ye hu Kristo ni ba kwa asole ya bompa ya afi kra na amane kase ye toto no ekom kase di Kristo ni a udi agramentem ha obi a serew Prophet Opatafo ye wu Jesus ya amrofu abaya amrofu no so de ha me kase kra na say prophet bibia o Bible mu bia ebroni din mi hu kwadwo mensa ya bo atindi wo Bible mu da bibia ya mrofu ya Jesus kranfo yini da bi na o ka se Jesus nye buroni enso ye nyini ya ban yina Jesus bibia e fita broni fita Prophet Opatafo mrofu omo da yen anamu Jesus na ni ho ya kwasom ya bosom that kan ye tukwan a odu ukoja ntoa obekwa ba besisiu asta dan kesi esisi wo nyina unum omo sisi ye tumi omo de ye nyina na nye Jesus o kan bebra Christopher office o ya bonsam Prophet Opatafo ye down de na ekọ yesi amrofi de omo ye ntiase o Bible no etesen na broni fita no na da bi no omo da ye ya na Kristo no etesen me wadawo ma e ma ne ha o tobo why
me tia omo a ehwe mi nyina mi South Africa for de mudi machi mi da obi mi chi obi
a yasi na yesi ya down umre ni yetie o
Intimity obi bia me yadam dodo. Isi ade ba ko o se eti ase no. Isi the bisi bia nya ede esi awie. Now there is nowhere in the Bible Yankopon amu bibifo din ho.
Na bibia ni Bible ne fa na yebobo yabo aten ne kwadwo mensa. Prophet Opatafo ene na obechiro. Ko bi mo fa Bible ne me na obechire bibia.
Unya wotire.
Babu ya kadi bia ni Bible.
Nya wotire. Nya wotire. Yeah, bibifo, you see when we talk about God, you can say nyame a. The ne ewiase from Jesus Christ no. Hebrew for na yempen for ye na nanamo frɛ no Yahushua na Yahshua Mashak no oye bibini
una aka o na Jesus calendar bu bokrum kofi kura ji bi matu ayi so mamo re wana ka say Jesus ye bibini
nyabotre me Opatafo me nkase obi se ana me nkase obi atichi me listen men kase obi
foyina da hoyi
nyabotre men kase obi ne tre ni o na men kase obi se Opatafo se Yahshua Mashak de amufre ni Jesus Christ man oye bibini
yetio de mitio
alu free wa onyankopon ne bo broni onyankopon ne sa bo bibini okay ba onu nyame na nkasa no oye bibini.
Hey! Prophet Opatafo.
Yes.
Afa odi nyamya e bibini. Yetie o.
Fe kura kwa.
Yetie o. Se wo ka ba yetie o.
Onu no obo ne soro. Ebo ne fom. Die ni nti wiase kunkon ho no. We bibini.
Na anyway, what dey yanko.
What you say? Nowhere in the Bible and a Jew ni bia na you da ni bia no wa oyebroni. Broni ye 1111111. Yankopon bo nipa no Adam eye bibini. Everything about the stories in the Bible is about Africa. Yeah.
Ti Abraham ye bibini. Abraham ye bibini.
Me say, me nkasu obi say, black man.
Noah ye bibini.
Noah And the second, no, Noah, and the second Bruni or Bible.
Noah.
Yes.
Abraham, you believe.
Oh. Mammy kind of credential.
Prophet Mitio.
Yan, yes, sabi. Yes, here were gift. Now, just the be miracles. Ya ye research so asua de ye dey akwachiri onyame no obo ne soro bo asase no de woso onipa bi ehunu se de obi hunu bibi mu aso obi se nyame die nti na manyankopon bo abibifo skin me na urade di matena na mbusa urade se papa die nti na abo aborofo na die nti so na abo abibifo eni oba kire me die nti a obo aborofo eni o kire die nti obo abibifo and the Buddha said, "Dientinus or turning into the higher self, or turning into Obibini. You are telling me the reason here.
Yet you,
what you said, sir, racism, Nissa, and Yomano. It was there long time.
Free tete.
You would have heard that. Abrofunia be before a what that. What you say? Maybe see the time of Cain and Abel. Abel was a black and Cain was white. You heard here? Cain, Abel developed knowledge who said, God is a spirit. And for that matter, he doesn't need anything related to physical. Like said ye ebinumu keka some say onyankopon ye honhom nti collection all the day or all fire material thing bi anya den hwe. But Abel saw to it say onyame no boss so ni asase emu adeduo nyina ye ne dia so in case all money bibi dia it should be the lion share of it. Eti tamu omo pa for de no broni hu se nyankopon no ohia saa de ewa we enti dia no de ye ena Abel no so fa na di nyamu dodo ene kese no the man nyame, and God became pleased with whatever that Abel gave to him. But what you say now, all these biblical characters now who Bible muno would ya movies did those things no, all these characters were changed.
Before.
Everything in the Bible is about black people. It's about black people. We are all one. God created the white and then the black. But everything in the Bible is related to the black people. I'm telling the truth.
So Christianity before there.
And yet Christianity before there. Before Christianity came, there was God. There was the supreme one. The supreme one of the universe, the boss on the assassin, Christosum, no at all. Yana, no Cobesum Christosum.
That's a Christosum, Yamrofone, the
Christosum, Yabroni, dia,
and yet to be
yes, friend, yes, to Christonia friend, Yashua Massacre. He's a black man.
One in the cheetah for you now, before.
Me chanto, and from Usha Utrezi heredity rise, generations to generations are. Everywhere in the world, the greatest people of all time are black people.
Prophet Opata.
Me na make come, me kasu obi say, me come as man say, me say. Kasu obi say.
Prophet Opata for.
The greatest people from day one. Akwasi bro ni suro bibini.
And they say, no my na.
No.
Mumusuru yesese.
Na me try wade.
Any normal prayer, no prayer, but Munsuru.
Osro papa, onipa bia na ni biri obi asuro. Onibiri fo bia ye hufo.
Meet you.
What you say? Now, all these biblical characters and all these biblical characters now, it was changed just to downplay the excellence of black people. Said you onyankopon boy before you dimu. Ye bibia nyame ye ma nyina ye perfect o. One fa asase enuanu nuro ene ade papa wo ma broni o. Odi ma bibini. Ana ni se na nyame ti Africa.
Oh, can some na unya no we no asade foforo abetum. Nyame ti Africa.
Oh yeah, ana ne ye ne papa nti.
Africa club so na nyame.
Good. Metro.
Israel.
Garden of Eden no attack on na wahin.
Garden in Eden no say nya Africa man.
Good. Garden of Eden no o say e wo ensuo the ensu baby ensu din kan ba wi ase a pine for no a pine for or say honor na Garden of Eden war. Now they have changed things and changed biblical locations and those stuff. Now sa ensu for no entem ana Garden of Eden one now hefa now Ethiopia Havila no ene and my friend is Zimbabwe.
Prophet Opatafo.
Now I'm telling the truth.
Baby, I feel with the Garden of Eden question.
What's baby? People think the Garden of Eden is in Mesopotamia.
And that's a honey war.
Nyabotre.
So wow, ya mapi.
Nyabotre. Me nyame mapu.
Meet you, Prophet Opatafo.
Me trewa de. E what Garden of Eden? E was sa. Baby, ensuo me and 9 ensuo ba ko epie pine for no. E ho na Bible say onyame titiri Garden of Eden. Or the Adam, the black man, or the toye.
Meet you.
It is a tragedy. We should go back and check where Ethiopia is. Go back and check where I can say Havila, any place on if on the wall. They have changed things. Now let's see. Answer and now say na African tea. Yen ananum payimfo ni nyina Jewfo no. Obo wale bibifuo. Abraham be wale bibini, Moses be wale bibini. I can say Jacob cried or farmer neighbors who bear 6 crab or baby man. Omuna so mo wale Ethiopia. Ana before young crofo nyame do omudi rofo. Onyame mfa bibini bi ani agro. If you say onyame na nkasa ne skin no eye before skin. Muna munimu no. And how much change you see icons, the images are portrayed publicly, denoting say and Jesus and nyame white in Sanya man. All these things were changed. What you say? Due to the false notion of white supremacy. Some person just some a supreme change. Anyway, no much changing, but everything is about. You can't say black people. Can you know how can be near nyame? Yes.
And then answer.
And yes, we are in advancement of the world and nothing has changed. But just say, over 90% any munyame. Didn't yame so say, Fanu Hunchre ni Pabiabium. If you say, Muama Banama Fueno, Martin in us say, we have been washed. When you Namia beer, the women know, Jesus Christ, white, no about cross. When it's up to today, who Rasatin churches, Albania, yes, who about crosses now.
I no na ye the attitude.
Yeah, very attitude who now pen what you do. But that man who acted that movie now cramp on a bit again. Also, yes, from 1 and 3.
Yeah, they need nature me inko. And Germany ni.
And a sonko.
And a Bakubinsu was a Israel saying,
oh, be Israel. Or back Russia ni back Germany, and a UK ni back. No, artist Jesus moving. Ina mono yes and your man. Ina omudia dada working into what you focused on such almost the real Jesus. But the real Jesus, Bible defines the complexion or the skin color of God and the skin color of Jesus.
Our Bible.
Yes.
Prophet, na jemre pa ni hu sani esitie because in some career hu I say free baby fufuro bi na eba.
Oh, etiama nyame tibi yin hu adi nchire nipa. Eti we have come to conceive false you can say misconception and falsehood and false information. Why? Because we sound say, why did Abraham serve God? Oh, hunyame. What the others hunyame also hunyame.
Say no ye bisa mo say dia na asesa.
Baby asesa na woni mo no.
Obi come antoa edan ya de oti antoa bosom so ntu won antoa.
E do ni asam no.
Na na mo de mo ye sum Jesus ye nhia Jesus.
Why na catch us on share Jesus?
Ye nhia no Kristo ni be no se wo share Jesus.
Why na so hu Jesus?
O share no eh.
Ah?
Ye nhia Jesus.
Ye share Jesus. Na mo amudi na tina woni mo no. E na woni mo no.
Wouldn't fight fast and empire be a far or that tenant quas.
Oh, you wouldn't die if you said any that was Bronian. Who yes should die?
Picture Linty.
Now, why not women?
Nanga come and I'm so. Some farmer come and picture so.
Wakuma and 2 pictures no so. Why now women? Tell me.
Jesus na me some.
Yes, Jesus and why now women?
Na me tiamu frano on ma.
Jesus PCC grab us we demon.
Adenti.
When you know me,
when you're fana,
and you Jesus won't end your faith. No, Mobuno, the idea chira wanted to what that down. And now I do a 2 p.m. crana about to say as a way a falsehood. When assume yes, Nami di Yamiati, Yamina mi huno, ni who go for crami hubi, Nami that should net how. And we have tend to believe these things and we are following the pastors. Taking money from us every day. Nyame de wa kuma mo gidie. What na say busa unyansa no wa say Abraham su nyame woni nyame di nkomo. No wa even Esther friend nyame.
Na ye kase. Usu nyame a wo no di nkomo oba. Anya daye ne nyina so.
Woni wan.
Daye.
Gabi ankasa enye daye na yen.
Ya Christopher ya daye ne so.
Woni wan na so daye.
Anti wan na dani we mo fra so fufu ye bi e ba ha so. Wo share Jesus wo.
O share ne da efi so woni is ayi. America de no.
Yeah, they are posters.
I don't know him.
Into a massa there's a no.
Ah, now Fred Opatafo, me bacho. Opatafo be him say Opatafo enimity. Adiachi. Say Opatafo kasa say masco. Now me yimi ho some identity to say copy. No better na say me amene Opatafo na be medi. Sanity. There are several instances and you might see through a Bible one. People think say the Bible belongs to the white man. It's a lie and it's a falsehood. Black man was created by God and white man was created by God. We are all the same, but there's a difference because of younger skin and the way young couple position you before.
Prophet, what bubonu ma
yes,
me Bible to na family wura Bible ni baby a Bible ka say Jesus ne dom ni nyame ne dom nyina ya before fa wura me na me to me bo me pesa as ya ga no ma ni bebre ba mani ampere
meaning in several instances crazy Bible Miriam ani Aaron ekasatia Moses adenti no wale bibini nyame firi suru sanin abufuom
and the most you di for.
Most you di for.
Valentina nyame sani yo. Di for suno so akasa tia odi nyame for.
Awo ti o Bible say no wo kasa tia Ethiopia ni ba no. Sadenti na mo sakofa no ni nyame dwae. Why? Because they would in it no. Oya dia ya.
Bibini.
Oya bibini and one day these things persisted in Israelite. Not those who were fair in complexion or white forever reason. They thought that they were superior with regards to these people. And one day, Nyame mo boja no ye Israel from painful you no better now. And then Yankopon ba was sebunu kuni apna nam. And to omo nyina obi ehu ni daji mo se oni ni di nkobo. Yankopon ko bie ni na ho no omie no ho me nhwe no oyi na denti se meni Nyame na amafrem na. Tama Yankopon odidi wi oyi ne ho adi kire mu ye black man bibini
prophet Opatafo the FAO kan ko si no
hwe et Israel fo na kasa tonsa afre Nyame ma obedidi wo Israel e ma onomwe o wie na oyi na identity no
no ye bibini na me problem ne say ye ndemafo yi di enti na ma papa yi ye de ye hu ni bi
na be de na mo hu if we say so we beti me hu ni dia then we have to take you back and start working on your consciousness
na say yes som no ne ye som de o
so muni no
prophet Opatafo
eti say obi say nyam say onim say okonfo bia nim say nyame na bo boso
say o mu nyina nim say nyame
okay onim say osom boso ma there's nothing wrong with it because nyame na ye dey
a boy
so onim say dey good did osom boso so nim say nyame abode the sign also Jesus no the obo cross no two show man akwa gay no onim say nyame abode you follow him and this Bible some of the Bibles no you see the original Bible you will not get it because it was in the form of scrolls you will not get except yana yetimi fight yanya no kure no one more akani nyina no if it's not King James Bible then it is this good Bible
news. Huh? Good news
or NIV and King James as a person was a Freemason.
King James
yes
your baby attacking
me attacking why
King James Bible now or
oh massa me chantro
prophet Opatafo
me chantro this man was part of the Masons. Me, I don't regard Masons to be evil or whatever. Even Satan himself, he has a good side of him. If you say, "Nyame say, me na my boss, for us when you're there." On say this will be free nyame na asena Satan ko twena chiri ma abeden nti Satan ko dem say wa ba na adwuma tira de bi o D2 post o ye adwuma no tell me whether you are a mercenary, a cultist, whatever, I'm not against you. But the matter is, you won't be forging at the end of my channel. I mean, Jim too. Say, this is Nyame. Say, the Oka say, yeah, or Nyame white and I be before and then the air assume you win. No! Yena, ye Nyame, I assume no, you never be bia. Because you who Nyame no baby. And I out that to the question. Abraham Smu Nyame Wahuno. Hey, Jacob abehunu, Isaac ehunu, hey, Esther munyina ehunu, David ehunu.
And no na me person me say nti murofo ne daada yana.
Muro, that is why I'm saying, yana nanam they suffered what we term as mental soliloquies.
Waka o se na da bi de ya.
Yes.
Na so o ma daada.
Yes, nti na biblical characters no. But they are two black people now. Or my in free one or did not do with certain terms. Unless we work great thinking ability and some not to make discern what we're trying to make. And sometimes you will not get it because some of these recent translations of the Bible are mixing certain characters and certain code.
Bible be na use.
Me Bible na hope am
Prophet Opatafo. Bible be na use.
E will be o member be so open ko dia. Ba won timi.
Anti no Bible no. Who person o chese mrofo na dane ne de o
me de. Oh, ma dane bebrebe kura ni o be o kura nkan. E na de ye papa na e betime huru yenye nchi. E huru se answer be before say na yete. Say na nyame tie no, o ma taking off. Yes.
Yes, no omo motive ni say omo yira ye chi ana.
You see, the problem with it said that superiority has persisted for a long time. Mama set example bishop. Say enkwala wo ma 3 e wo fie. Na ba ye kokko na ba tuntum. Em say kokko no fee so bigger than tuntum.
Say is ya there ye ndo so kokko sin tuntum.
Jamaican what you say? So that thing even in our family recently is persisting. So that thing has persisted for a quite long time. Uwo akwala no oba kokko oba tuntum a kokko fee say heavy chain tuntum. But tuntum no nyame bo tuntum for a purpose. You know bo kokko obroni white for a purpose. E to nyame tira dwamu a wo de bibifo na ye ne nkata ho. No de abrofo ye ne tirimu aso.
Nzenyi yimu na se free papa na ansem.
Papa ni nka on free papa ni nsem o. What de wa yi obi?
Kan ye what de mrofo
ye. Me say nyame tira dwamu a wo de abibifo kata ne ho. No de abrofo aguni tiri so. E wa asikiro. Asikire ni say ye hwa bibini skin edi no to culture ye de amamre nyankopon hini be ya amamre ni amamie. No white man has any defined culture.
So man so yisu amamre.
Amamre be ya.
Call Queen Hall.
Queen Bay.
Queen Elizabeth.
Queen Elizabeth wa amamre. Amamre no. Na amamre be ya.
Na akunya no otiso na amamre.
O akunya be ya.
Na hini
akunya. It is Freemasons who have made him who he is.
Prophet Opatafo. E ya sa ansam na akeka no.
Me ka sam tell us say only the entire family na Freemasons. It's there. This is something you shouldn't deny. It's on the net. Check it out. Queen Elizabeth and the Freemasons. Once you listen to me, I'm not against them, but I'm trying to tell you where these people are coming. But even they won't define Amamre. Free Nyamism.
Yeah, Amamre ni free Nyamism.
Me na me tell say Nyami our purpose. So only
Prophet Opatafo. Only bia what the other back.
Only papi. Some minimum Nyami.
Besi enu be debate kura na ya na be debate.
Nyami ni minimum no ma hwehwe na hunu nti na ya wo say Nyami me yesuma bi no ma betena bi ase. No. Nyami bought black man.
Ti ya sofu mpanyifo ni no munim Nyami. I almost di ya ni mo munim Nyami.
Ohun Nyami wai.
O ma ye Nyami jo.
Oye Nyami jo wai.
Bi o ma ti fie du.
Ya bo pa na Nyami mtira o criminal activities o bo ye. Ni Nyami mtira o ba bi o mu ti hihye.
Asofu mpanyifo.
Say bo pa na Nyami mtira o.
You fire asole Methodist Roman president. Azaba. O ma ye Nyami juma bia pop panyini ya.
Let me tell you something. Oye Methodist o me who to be fam to sofu. We to be famine to
sofu. Sofu die
na wa che no enu nka hwe o.
Osi wo hu Nyame.
Wo hu Nyame wai.
Onu ma akra waje.
Waje kra ma hwan.
Waje akra ma.
Why na timi ji akra?
Domo egu o ma ase.
Na edomo ne dia wo na office a obekọ ye kuo na wakọ.
asole no agye doma nyame
what you doma hwan what the
prophet bara wo na waka say
and deny obi
ego patapata
what the bit ma agye doma nyame
o ma ye nyame dwuma dom di wo ma chi kwani pa apere pipe nyame o mo na agina ma amaba o
let me tell you something
asofofo na agina ma afa no aba o o mo ma ba so a wo yes no
democracy began. Let's say in this modern world, when we talk about politics, the giant political parties in Ghana, NDC, NMPP, good. Political party be work community dom to send crofo emi. But when you say political party be, ebetimi aba system no anche na wabenya dom ache wo mo.
So for now they be my but it's possible. Yeah.
Good. It is ebetimi possible there. So obi ye nyamedwuma na dom de na chia forget it.
Ese nya dom na chese.
Who told you?
Oh ye nyamedwuma.
Why na chese wo dom na chese. Na na nyame kobreku ne na me di asori ko so na say asuma na beto dom mama me.
Na de ye nyame ntwe mam.
Nyame unimo no ntobera na wache ama. Hwese wuti we. Unim nyame. You see sometimes I tell people say sauti wana ko envy obi ti say men say utabela. Now you are very stupid. Why am I saying this? Mensa Otabe has been in ministry for over 30 years. Maybe I want by ministry 15 years. Who person when the success and in the riches and your pay. About possible. And you a black the Benso so be Kenya misam. No what tell on Yamia Panshia Mudia. We are in the 21st century. San Palana Bano, we are very knowledgeable, very smart people. Who's winning in the end? Then what better say Obi acquiring the masters. Obi a magistrate, Obi a barrister, Obi a judge, Obi a lawyer. Who has got to say lawyer in front of the certificate in everything. I'm a sound nasi, not to telephone heaven in the name of heaven. Now, what can I now to one quantity? Shall you maybe out here saw them away? How do you expect people like this to come and bow to your throne? God will not allow such people to come. Why? Because you don't have anything to feed them. So the petty ones, you give those people to you. Now you share one more master dia wunya no because obi aye the masters are master or bound time. When you say obi masters question any different from obi a okra diploma question.
Na say bi adrumu dosin bi.
Good. Enunti sanko fon so nyame de ba mo a omasua dia ede aduru akiri. No more experience. Na nyame amo omo abehye wase na wo lidi wo mo de omo abehye nyame. Now mom yen before na say the current prophet no more there. Oba ya opeso oni otabe dano odemu no opeso odemu bi ne church congregation opeso oni yepe. But think quite actually say enipa don say how many years na papa ya spend in the ministry? How many years na SDA as check? How many years na Methodist for check? It is a no man I don't envy those people. If my members are 4, I don't care. They me pen no. But yeah, and it's only when it to say so for be a trick dom and a dear master. Don't go by it. Mam can't say me.
Ya dom na chese so ye nyam djuma.
Ya dom na chese so ye nyam djuma.
Okay.
Ya dom.
Oh, they matter ase.
That's what I say. So this issue with white people, no, black yen skin, and yen ya mamre ni amane. Culture, and tina yen skin ya black.
Na nyame som no amamre wom sa.
Sha. Amane free.
Amamre ni amane de anka ya na ye nananom
ya. Una na hwan.
Na nyame djuma.
Una na ofakobu o amamre bi wo ho.
Za no omo na ya amane ni amamre.
Why
manhia ma. Omo na ya amane ni amamre.
Manhia nana etwa odwan bo a. Wo bu sa hwan na the first person who twa odwan. Yankopon na me twa odwan ma no.
It you.
So what you say? Eti papa no yem bless king na me kire wase no. Ye define culture. 2, ye define what you call as righteousness. Ye kasa ahotifo a omuni
before na omo ya ahotifo.
Omuni ahotifo no. If you say one, sankofo no musuro omo dada. Omunya ni aburo so. We are killing each other because of political influence. But what you say? It's your Catherine for now. Before, yani Jamano, yani Rastafarians. Righteous African stands tall alone. That is Rasta. You can't say Rasta, sir. And you do we about the near come. No, Rastafarians are black people.
For me
Now, the last one, justice. You can't yes. Every black man is a justice man. All these political leaders and black people in the society are evil. They are influenced by politics. So the white man sat down to understand that before we can subvert these people to our authority, we have to introduce democracy or politics, because they don't know anything about that. What you say? And what you better to him? And the obibini biano righteousness no answer na oka. Broni eko beach ya obefa kwala ho anani girl ho. Unta hu go TV so. Me ba chop say bibini so yan krani atim ni ba santini ba so ofa obi won suo ho a nananom so waye de ya.
Emusuo.
Me boa. Ti yan trene yan fa obi sika yan twantro yan yehwe efinyame mo nyantoa. And what you about to establish that if the Yami the Tia Nanam, who can't turn Yami Ekum, we are sending Yami Yosemite. That fear was there. Righteousness, nobody. Yami the typical trans was and Guanado Omcotola Tayamun to form. Now Mum, now Prapra, when I'm a bam in Pefi. White man doesn't know anything about this. They don't have any
defined. Oh, Bible. I said, no, maybe we'll have mum you.
And Yamin, I'll tell you, you will be holding me the edgy. Oh, and now Bronino should be a dear. Or Bob Bronino. Or Bob Broni, and the need to the home or noon young couple, the new dear knowledge. Or Bon young Broni, the need to the home and Emma knowledge. And the white people symbolize what? Knowledge and innovations or inventions. That is these people. That is all. One fat brony a white no and yes mubia. Ojina ordinary yema ninim die. Eti the ultimate conceiving who said we have to use this to kill a king or a white. The second one. Noah no who study this apocryphal man taking out of the scriptures. And yet according to 2nd Enoch chapter 70 verse 1 down to 10, Bible say Yahweh I can't say Noah no ne papa Lamek say that kolani akokokoko tisebroni entina osuro say adie onye nipa na o bibi na ede
baby.
And to just imagine, say, if Lamech and these people were white people, and come back question of such question, good, which means another color or another complexion has fallen within us, and we need to inquire the reasons for that. And you think Yankupo man Noah, Echo Bedu Noah Pamono, Apamada Kano.
Yes, a Juma no the name.
Yes, the symbol of knowledge, Nimudia. Nanim the Yatima build a car new way. Noah and I'm the year to know Bob be a brony skin. Then one may be Binibian copy with it. You know why, you know. No, Apamada Cano. Them all Noah because we're brony. What the nature of my via him, dear?
You free no.
Yes. What you say? It's taking a whole bat. Nyankopon betena hye no otena hwema mu a ho ye ka amamere kacha
mamere ne amane
yes ye ho ne ye amamere ne amane timi tiw da dua nyina wonyame anim
prophet opa
am me kasa wo se so no o si ade
Samu
yes
ya asemo yetie o
what you say say dey tiw contact wo court no ye timi tiw bi wonyame anim
yetie o
ana ya di yetina ho ma sa justice. Every black man is justice. Omo justice entina. Omo ba be wi ayen echi yen slaves fire ma rape omo no. It's because of this. But they are not justice and fair enough. Omo righteous. Ensuom kro be for ba. Obewia wa de because we are good. Obi a we are good. You just righteous. Righteous. But God used this.
Sana nyame ya omo. Nyame. Ya e fini se omo hu nyame no.
Broni bia ni nyame. No broni bia no oso nyame. They are 7 different entities. Different entities. Sure. Broni bene broni. No.
Bikura detias.
Oh, abrofun maku ne sum nyame. Osoro gya nyankopon. Your boss ni as enya izo. Enti na mama ye some strange bi no because munimu no. What you say? Enti wodi abrofun gina ho ma odi ye ne kataso. Enti wo akwase broni a see said this is the knowledge of God. Enti no mutimi ye create nyoma different to wi ase no. Omuni nyame adwene a ye nimdie no. Ba ye de what ye nkata ho. Enti obi obesie nyame bia bo se na ni tiri nu egu ni tiri so no. Eye fita no abrofo no. Na ma onyankopon ni padua de oye bibini. Odi amane ni amamre. Righteousness, justice. Nyame tire dwa o se nyamo e corrupt. We justice. We ya tiri ni wo kronkron oni no obibini. Let's look at Moses ekohu nyame tam nyankopon si ya obedi jollof a owie obie nu na ho kire o msabo hweme ye hwe nyame su Moses
kofi wan ka fa
Exodus 24
asem ne hwe na ye hu die eko because isi ade abawi ase die akoye obibifo ne ya amrofo na edi nipa ni
omo nyina ye nipa ba ko there must be peace but omo nim die na ye justice, righteousness, and then culture. Ye no amamre. Ye na urade tibika se kumaboa fa moja pete kwa bia no amamre no. Na efia ba fie nyame na ka asem no. Na mo mbroni ni kwa bi odi moja bi kopete ho. Ba che wa bie.
Wo se mo ma to so mi nu. Eti abionu nan. Yimu ba ko.
No, 9 to 11.
Yimu kron ekosi du ba ko.
Tie ni o me pacho tie ni.
Pacho se. Ena Mose ni Aaron. Nadab. Any Abihu.
Nadab ni Abihu.
Any Israel penifo mu adioso.
Tie ni Israel penifo mu adioso. Efrokoi.
Edu. Da wo hunu Israel nyankopon.
Tie na omuhu yi hwan ya me na omuhu me.
Israel nyankopon.
Enye de oboso ni asase. Ye tie na ha no ye den.
Omuhu Israel nyankopon no. Na ne nan asete se ade a wode huaboa a emutie aye. Ade
a ye de huaboa a emutie aye. Yanko brofo no kai brofo
ne say.
Okay, so we 11 no. We 11 no. Aha na no wo hwe nkwan no. Nti omo mfi se nyankopon onidi no. Don't get things wrong. Odidi pa ohwe nkwan. On ko tap abrabunu nkwan. To aso aha.
Na ne na ha ti se osoro para.
Tie ne nyankopon ne de we the body atoso na nti se osoro para no me kire wade to aso
dubako
no se
na wantene ne nsa anka Israel fo mu ati
wanfa ne nsa anka Israel ni bia ankunu antia na anya ne hwe no ye den
na wo hwe onyankopon
da bi ohwe obatafo
ohwe onyankopon
so oye den
ohwe onyankopon
na
wodidi
no ye den
wodidi
nyankopon ye den
wodidi
wa ri karomo ahakwa na yabunabunu na nyame no
etio
o se nyame opefufuo pa o to aso aha
na wonome
je nyame didi ni wonome. That is God. And
then went up Moses.
With their kind important.
Listen. And they saw the God of Israel.
They saw the God of Israel.
And there was under his feet.
When
as it were a paved work of a sapphire.
The sapphire
stone.
Okay. Now but spell it sapphire no mommy.
S-A.
Me pato wo a wo hwe me spell it S-A-P-P H-I-R-E. Now Google a sapphire stone. Now when the color it is dark. What did the ambassador say? To us,
and as it were the body of heaven.
As it were the body of heaven,
in his clearness.
In his what? Clearness. Then the one that is a sapphire stone. Sapphire stone is dark. That brownish color be salo. Say no. Hey, say nyamini. hata me nya slay queen se ho ahwe odifo Ezekiel onyame difo we na nyame frɛ na o man sabi odi toilet sa 2 years no ma me nkyerɛw don su ko hu nyame do obeka e na mo fa toto mo nyankopɔn na mo som no no so ye no a nya no dia sa free na chi na wu a onye Ezekiel chapter 1
Kofi ya
Ezekiel tibako
verse 26 chapter 1 verse 26
ni yimu eye aduonu ensia
aha
me ba cho se
tie ni ye mame
na entremu a wo na tifi no so
kama onyame sane ye no wo kyerɛ se de ositi aha
entremu a wo na tifi so no
aha
eti se huaboɔ
eti sade
huaboɔ
okay
ahenya nseso
aha
na ahenya no nseso no na eso na obi a ɔte sɛ onipa nseso etie wo
tie ɛhɔ no omuhu si obi ɔte sɛ nipa nseso anu no nyankopɔn ɔte ahenya no so no ɛna ohu sɛ ɔbrani bi a no ho fɛfɛfɛfɛ bibini ba paa etie akonya no so ohu ya no tie di ɔka
na mehunu ye
no
na ete sɛ sika ene dwetam frafraye
sika ne dwetam frafraye me pacho kɔbrɔfo no mame
brofro 27 no 27 ne say and I saw as the color of amber as the appearance of fire round about with him from the appearance of his loins even upward and from the appearance of his loins even downward I saw as it were the appearance of fire and it had brightness round about.
Kai 26 na me hwa de baby describe no
26 they say and above the firmament that was over their heads was the likeness of a throne as the appearance of a sapphire stone.
A sapphire. As I repeat you ha me boa.
Papa.
Odifo Ezekiel so ko hu nyankopon ko ya sapphire or to say sapphire stone. That is brownish dark skin color. A yet clear bi na papa otiwo. Nice man.
Nyame nye bruni.
Nyame ye hwan bruni o ko bruni da bo nye bruni so da.
Yeti o prophet.
Wow, the we papa ni city. Sapphire stone gugu na hwe. Ye hwa de o. Ene odifo John su ko hu nyankopon.
John hu nyame.
Oyin hu declare yanko he no. Me pa cho Revelation chapter 4 verse 2 to 3.
Kofi yankwe Mr.
Revelation
per confirmation on teach se ni nyina abra.
Revelation chapter 4 verse 23.
There be verse 2 to 3.
Verse 2 and 3. Me pa cho say.
Tie.
Na entamara
nyame no.
Na me wo hu.
Si o se owo hu ntasena ne bie spiritually.
Na hwe. Wo de ahenya asisoro.
Wo de ahenya kese asisoro.
Na obi ti ahenya no so.
Na obi ye den.
Ati ahenya.
Aha na hia me na obi ye den.
Ati ahenya.
Hwan ya to aso.
Na de otiso no.
Aha de oti akonya no so no.
Wo hwe no a.
Wo hwe na nya den.
Oti se ahwehwebo.
Oti se ahwehwebo.
Ani bojanambo.
Aha na hia me no. Wo hu de John de okunyame complete.
Na nyankunton a wo hwe a eti se ahahan munubo
yes etwa
hwan wo ahia
hwan ye ntwa so kai brofo no mame
brofo ne say
2 to 3 na
and immediately I was in the spirit and behold a throne was set in heaven
heavenly perspective
and one sat on the throne
and there was a man, a very handsome man who sat on that throne
and he that sat was to look upon like a jasper.
Listen, the one who seated upon that throne looks like what?
A jasper.
Me patro jasper spell mama no munya JASPER me patro gugu jasper stone bo say a brownish dark bisa ahana de
and a sardine stone
sardine so patro spell mama SARDINE me patro am fanto susu omu he
Dani ufa stones ni bi bra fa bi toto so chance
me patro stone abrofo stone
what the color of the stone no more can then is sabra what the sa no ma we do
me patro
obeyi abasisi a
me patro bo hwa abo no eti sai nya bibifo wonam oye
yanko odi obeyi ni nyina aba
oye brownish dark in complexion.
Ni nyina de Bible omu nyina di fo ni nyina hu ye wan kabro ni fitaa
bia. Wan kabro ni be asem. Ye kas no asiburo ni die. Mini broni o.
Prophet of Father ye tie.
Also I confirm. Ye prophet Jesus Christ. Dia mumu friend Jesus Christ no. Your friend Yeshua Mashiach. Young Revelation chapter 1 verse 13 to 15. Tama Yesu reveal the true identity trade. Odi for John. One correct one also identity. Black man.
No. Go be no.
This so me diba kwa ha.
Yimu du mi.
He do me.
Na abeto so. Every say pray Boba fitaa bi na wa da.
Me ba to as what say.
Du mi ensa ne say.
Du mi ensa no ura Yesu wo ye de.
Kane dua no mfimfini no.
Na kane tua no mfimfini in the middle of the seven stars.
Me hunu obi a oti so onipa ba.
Me pa to why na ye onipa ba ba Bible mu.
Nyankopon ne ba Jesus Christ.
Oh, obi oti so onipa ba no.
A o shatade yu.
O shatade yu.
Na odi sika aboso abo ne kokoso.
Odi sika aboso abo ne kokoso ne ha.
Na ni three any ni huase.
The three ni huase de ya.
The
knowledge of the world. And I buo ni three hu san fitano. Ha mi akwasi buroni no. White people. Etina no one no man build no wa pa no nye bibini. No wa ye buroni. To aso aha. Said ye ya. The three ni ya pure white so dantri hu ni de. Fita. Ni three.
Na ni eti se ojaframa.
Na di ti se ojaframa. Dunum.
Na ne nan eti se yawa fefe.
Ne nan ti se de ya.
Yawa.
Me ba cha we de ye ntwa so. Yawa e color bay. Brownish dark in complexion. E hu tron ayato.
Prophet of Patafo.
I'm telling the truth and you are telling me I'm lying.
Prophet of Patafo.
Tako brofuni en hade.
Dunum no.
And
his feet like unto fine brass.
His feet, the feet of Jesus is like unto fine what?
Brass.
Okay.
As if they burn in a furnace.
Okay. She said ye dia to jam yawa ye dia to jam na yawa dia to jam. Ebini ye mu kokoko brownish yes enya kokoko brownish kokoko bisa nice sweet one.
Asemo.
Jayadana
nyame na ye dinachi aye calendar bu ba so dem
nyina
efe
enu ntina mu hunu no because unim say nyame ye tuntum ada bonsam mom ye white
samom
ejoma ye no wa change etu tuntum afri say odo na ye bonsam na hunu white afri say nyankopon but me prove the actual say white is Lucifer.
And then the Obayo prophet of Patafo.
I'm telling you the truth.
Yanto aso yanko yam.
Yes, Adam. Usha ne kata ne skin na waye swatty dusky reddish brown soil.
Oh.
Dark skin man. That is Adam. I'm telling you.
Nakala wana opa manana.
Daddy, bro, funi about the accurate color. Mimi ka Hebrew.
Me too.
Mimi ka Hebrew. Oh yeah, swarthy. Dusky reddish. What is that color? What is that color?
Who that?
Now a reddish brown soil. And then you the ball. I get that skin.
You pedia bello.
Who be that? Only Adam no.
I don't go any pedia.
Yes. Me Genesis 2:7.
I go via and Adam there say yes, and I win in the pa.
Why get dusky?
On your fita.
Why are you fita?
What be Adam so your fita?
What's it saying?
Na Radinya kupon the form dot here and you know nipa.
Radinya kupon the ya.
A form dot here.
Eh day.
And you know nipa.
A form the ya.
Dot here.
Not here be na white we yase.
Not here the new white.
You not here white. And a dusky brownish reddish.
Kovia prophet there. Ya confirm and then when you heard go back.
And so no
if you share that judge or yellow na many after
and the Lord God formed man.
The Lord God formed man
of the dust of the ground.
Dust of the ground. And to work it in a tibia and the fita. And chuma dusky brownish and chuma near the bony pa. Right there, Mr. And yes, sir. Yana ye hu ye nyami no. Mama mi we want to pay now sa ko fi come do because ye ntutu onyame ho. Yeah, they are pie plan, I know they are Juma. The 2 million, no, yeah, they are pie, no, and 2. Let's see something. Garden of Eden, say he found an error. Be Genesis chapter 2, verse 10.
Kofi, I know here me papa.
Etre mienu yimudu Genesis 1.
10 to 14, tieni you.
Na asuo bi tini free Eden, ebefa.
Asuo bi tini fa Eden, me pato, he found an error. Na Garden of Eden. Let's look at where Garden of Eden is. Twas one.
Ebefa throne.
Ebefa throne, baby, a Garden of Eden is will be the tini be from.
Na efriwara ena emu papai.
Efriwa emu papai ko he.
Eye nsutre 9.
Eye nsutre say.
And 9.
The 4 river. Twaso.
The edikan no edin the Pison.
The edikan the Pison.
Eno ene kontuncha Hawila asase.
Ene kontunfa Hawila. That is.
Asase a sika woso.
Yes. Asase sika e woso. Twaso.
Dumienu. Na asase no so sika e papa.
Asase no so sika ye papa. Hawila. The land of the Zimbabwe. Anya ho the Zimbabwe gold ni o.
Ubacha ebi o ba.
Anya ho the gold papa. Tika currently in Zimbabwe na madada wundi masresia. Toma heda no madada mu na munyamu namu tidebiano akwasi broni na muhwe nani. Ba mimi dia miniminya mintimi mindi agoro. Tuaso dumiensa
na asuo a etosu mienu din de Gihon.
Asuo na etosu mienu de Gihon etrefa hen.
Eno ena ekontuncha Kusa asasi ni.
Kusa eye Kush ehona Moses ekoware ye na ehona ye Ethiopia no tuaso.
Dunai. Na asuo a etosu miensa no eni Hidikel. Eno ena sine ewo Assyria puye.
Yes, Cameroon chaso Cameroon mami.
Dunai hono.
Okay, that be 10 verse 10. Eba. Tio.
And the river went out of Eden.
And the river went out of Eden
to water the garden.
To water the garden where the Garden of Eden was, where Adam was placed.
And from thence
it
was parted.
It was parted into 4.
And became into 4 heads.
It became into 4 heads.
The name of the first is Pison.
The name of the first one is Pison,
That is it which compasseth the whole land of Havilah.
The whole land of Havilah.
Where there is gold.
Where there is gold.
And the gold of that land is good.
The gold of that land is good. It's talking about Zimbabwe. Asia, Mesopotamia, baby. Let's look
there is Bedillium.
There is another one.
Bedillium.
And
the onyx stone.
And the onyx stone. And the natural resource in your free sack be a Dumiensa say.
And the name of the second river is Gihon.
The name of the second river is Gihon.
The same is it that compasses the whole land of Ethiopia.
The whole land of where?
Ethiopia.
The whole land of where?
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia wa hen. Zimbabwe wa hen. And to the Garden of Eden, heaven and nyame agege to am na de bi oba be didi no.
Asemo.
Tie asase ne de abrofo na ni bere yenye no. I'm not against any white man. We are one. We are created by God. But so if this racism is now, you have to tell them the truth. Omu ye uradi ti so mu aso tina ntrim ye fitano. E kire nim de ni nyansa omu de no. Ba ye de onyame de ye nkata ho tina dwam efri se o de amamre amane any atemu ye justiceness ame tiri ni yo no de buni mai. But what you say? Eti no. Ti edi no saa na tie. Uhwe Moses o ware Zipporah o ye Ethiopia ni. Uhwe Abraham Hagar no ye Egypt. Osa kofa Ketura, omunyina Ketura so free Ethiopia. Omu ye both hermetic.
Prophet Opatafo.
Enti ye dia o. Na asam mo nsofofo no problem wo ho. Born be abon.
Ani amu adwuma yo. Prophet Opatafo wo adwuma ye.
Na ye hwa de. Uhwe Job 30 verse 30. Job ye bibini o. Black man no Easter nyame ye hira no. Bu amani sikani ye bie. Job 30 verse 30.
Job
30 verse.
Eti aye aduasa. Ni yimu aye aduasa.
Ose saying.
Me bacho ose. Me widie abri
min bacho ade abri na ye de ya. Kind brofo no.
Brofo ne say. Brofo no. Or say. And my skin is black upon me. And my bones are bent with heat.
Yes. Say. Bibini kwa amani mu na kom de bibini on the yana skin ayen. Sana na do kom de na skin ayen.
Ya te no.
Yes. Number 2. Wan bibini akoma de no. Ibroni akoma de na mana dani tuntum da. I been see that. Young boy, na Solomon. On crowd the Eze Kueche.
King Solomon. The champions.
On me, yes, Bible me on me adam.
On the dim bla.
On the way a mass on Fafo.
Also to
Yeah, Solomon, Bibinia Brantier. Sons of Solomon. And you chapter 1 verse 5 to 6.
And you Tibako. You move enum enisia. Oh, Jerusalem Baba. Me breed here. Now so me who have fair.
Yeah.
That's a wash word to do.
Oh, yeah, me any patuntum the and so me who have fair. Can I say, you know?
Esiane say. Munsha me ha. Can say. Me breed here.
Me any patuntum to the man whom you am sano.
It's so Owia
Kusa. Me pato. Oh, say we ask you, Brunia, mo etuntum da. Time of phone.
5 no say. I am black.
I am what?
Black.
I don't confirm everything.
Prophet, is here there? Am I?
Yes, Jeremiah.
Also, your tuntum.
Jeremiah chapter 8, verse 21.
Hey, and say, Yamin dom yina tuntum for ampa. Kofi
Jeremiah chapter 8, verse number
21.
I say, me my baba. Kuro enti maye samu. Maye kusu.
Maye de.
Kusu.
Broni ye kusu.
Kusu ne say no da bi.
Kabrofo no na me nchirem.
Kusu de nchire ni pa.
Nya botre.
Brofo ne say.
What's he saying?
For the head of the daughter of my people.
Okay.
I am head. And I'm black.
We dey clear na kama.
Yanko Lamentation chapter 5 verse 10. When the Lamentation odi for Jeremiah on the try. Yeah, no sa kan bi.
Lamentation.
Prophet or patafo.
About Lamentation
chapter 5 verse 10.
Aden samu abao. Prophet or patafo.
Yes, no.
Verse number 10.
Oh say.
But I say. You read here ayesheshe. Safuno no. Kai verse 10 no brofo no mami. Brofo ne say. Brofo. Aye. I say. Our skin was black like an oven because of the Igbo family.
Okay. So obi ti
say me anso ni patuntum.
Omo nyina ni patuntum Israelfo no. Nya se nyame na bo abrofo na problem ni say onyame die ntia awurade mi busa awurade say na da na owe mu abrofo ye tuntum. Da na de ase nyame wa mo no. Me bom mo ya me nkata ho. Ne mo ye mitiri so nwi. Odi mitiri so nwi na hye omo nso. That is why we are seeing him dear when they possess it. By idea, ye Yankupon mamere. Namane,
that's and can you hear my any name now quite?
Yena, Yamio, no brony and Sumyamio.
And then I to me at Dania, ye name now quite we
suffered Menda's eloquence.
Yes, I can't for
no more that as I knew she. And didn't know Bistodia and the Bible now to watch it. And you will be India, what's some the Akan na Wuntia? Yeah, can't be before once about who, Obi, Yahadia, Yahadia Yankupoye, Moses go for bad bed, and you'll be a tuntum. Yahadia. Jenna, Numbers chapter 12, verse 1. Namin Chewadi. Numbers 12, verse 1 will be the Bibinia Temkeke. Shedding Yamibu Fuye.
Numbers, it do me no tobacco. Now, Miriam, any error,
na Miriam ni Aaron kasa tia Mose di ehuntia
se oware kusni ba
hwan
kusni ba
oye bibini ba no free Ethiopia
efri se no oware kusni ba ba
eninti mubu afu ade tena ni kusni ba twempana o so no ne kokofo nyam se esa mo mudi manim yefo Yeah, me bomb. Who said I am a cocoa can't do many years for. So that thing has persisted. But to read the Bible, English version, mommy. Now, okay, no. Okay, to us,
And Miriam.
And
Aaron spoke against Moses.
Why?
Because of the Ethiopian woman.
Because of what?
Ethiopian woman.
No, because of the Iraqi woman.
Ethiopian woman.
Because of American woman.
Ethiopian woman.
Because of you can't say Germany woman.
Ethiopian woman.
Because of Ethiopian Ibanti.
That's a racism now. What that?
And you are persisting.
What's the pencil cry etc.
Yes, and I am shady. Kind verse 6, the Nyamiya on.
So, Coca, so I call Wally Ethiopian Iban.
Oh, Kaiser Tia, or one that mine play the excellence of black people.
It's Yancy. Kasache Israel for the same.
Verse 6, Numbers chapter 12, verse 6.
12
verse 6.
12 verse 6.
6, I'm saying.
6, it's Yano say. Na okase muntie mi nsem
ti asem a mi kan nan ko tirim yie mu Aaron ayimo ayi unua bema Aaron
se awrade difo bi wo mu
so difo bi wo wiase a
adehunu mu na me ma
this is so adehunu mu na me ni di nkomo
daye mu na me ka kire no
na obi na obetimi nyame yedi nkomo face to face except Moses jambo 8 na me ha de
enwotwe ano na me ne no edeka
ano na me ni Moses di kasa
ehunu mu na enye mebuom na ohunu awrade suban
ohunu de ya
awrade suban
de enti ohunu awrade suban na de enti ato aso
na adenti na mwansuro se
adenti na mwanya dai
mwansuro se mo beka se etia makwa Moses Enkron na awrade bufu won
awrade bu ya dai
ebufu won na osimu ekọ
yes okoya no otu aso a obosu aso mo Miriam ye kwata eni ho abufu enti no de frɛ Aaron man be di sofo a ofa mu di ko paya pra na ku
Prophet Patafo wa convince me bebre na say ibete wase pa na say abofo no kura bi yetuntum
abofo no mo be yam the black people o
hey Prophet Patafo
sure
abofo no ya black
me bofu pay ni Razia no onye kokoya black
na mark ya mo na ayi mu nyina Daniel mo
ayi nyawcha de
na Daniel mu nyina o ya tuntum
nyawotre the issue with abofo they say
angels no
they are in a hierarchical form but into 3 groups
abofo no
yes
was so
there was first one and there was second or third. First one denote it comprises of thrones. And then from has malins ne Aaron mini Hayot. Hayot na friend atiasefo ba nan no. Has malins ne from the shining ones. And Aaron's no na wheels no. Eti ye the cherubs, seraphs and the thrones are one.
Omo three ya one.
Omo ya one. Ina cherubs no cherubim no omo na ye nyankopon nim die nti omo nyina ye white abrofo
sa na wo
abofo no nti omo ye white Ina Satan and Lucifer so no he fell from the categories of cherubs so in Satan no a cherub good
you know your white
and nyame na mu no yesu no and they are black man. I mean, just say yes, you BB. You know about switch, you know. They have made us to disbelieve what we have, disbelieve our system. Even we tend to question our intelligence, our conscience, and everything.
Shiabon sama ya onutum. Ena radia efita.
But mom, yami mom ye tuntum. Ena you know, both ones here white. If you say cherubs, no me yami dear. And to check it, we say the duties of cherubs. Both say Lucifer no a cherub, but why white. Now, what's okay? Me papa be or hear me. You on the chair me. I saw them on the Gina stone in our mom. Yami Shirano. Now, Papa used to be oil. Now, also the honor side, who has so be happy.
Life,
when you say.
Hey, Prophet Patafo.
Yes, or hear me. On the tongue, or can I saw them will be on me. Well, on the side, or Tiakoyum, no appear, spirit and appear. Now, appear, or a dark brownish, dusky skin color.
No dey me tie o.
Ana nyankonto atwa sa spirit ni tiri mu ahia. Na ohran. But if you ne soro kono ntimi hwe nanim. Ba ne fom no. Ana ohunu ne wedie no. Ina spirit ne ka kire ne say, on sorry no nko bompai. Na de ba ne nye. Tie ni o. Tini hun tini no say spirit be na wa dark brown we say yeah. Ko nyame bofo de nko so white.
Bruni fita.
Hi, o se ko bruni fita. When you atu na papa no, well, any other mama nko pata for de bibia betima esi because na chi na medi. No ko sorry e. Ina ni o se hu bi eti. O bompa ye boy. Say na ade be chairman de beba ma wu. Ade ti less than 30 minutes. Na call basa ne ba. E ka ko hwa ma moa. Na ne ba no ho mark say kura anti. Ya hwade o. Eye da na we sum nyame no otimi hu abofo life. But na de kura kire ne say jamre we abonsam wo faase. Because from onunim say bofo de ko ye de ya.
We fita.
But this is bofo pa. Angel pa ru hu ni san. Etiri pa bebre tibeti o ma hu angels bebrebe. O free say amna nto ane wo. Yes. Mimi nyame somo no. Ultimate spirit hu de ye easy o. Meti me udi agwa baba bi be wura no. Upie ba o kasa ni pe dwane. Me ma hu nyame o. Ma hu se de na kwansitiye. Ma shedda ni nyame atena se. Onyame timika wansam we wati bi o ba bi da. Jo onyame timika so patafo nkomo bi ho na me ni udi a. Osofu bi ni asase we so meka de akyere ne da.
Nti abofo ni bi yetuntum. Omo so ye de yen. Omo se kelops ni na aso.
Omo kelops ni omo ye nim de white.
White. Na he
for. Na ye wo omo ye lighting rays. Ye eralims ne. Omo no. Na eba principalities no. Powers. Virtues ne angels na omo ye bibi.
Angels for na angel na ga bibi.
Omo bibi for nko powers for na omo kokoma o man ne. Omo nyina Michael omo nyina black man.
Bofo market
dark brownish.
Buffalo market.
Tie, me say there ya. Ma me you know buffalo market I mean this swarthy, dusky, reddish brown soil. Man, that is Archangel Michael.
That's a buffalo kura tuntum baby.
A buffalo me be before they say baby kwa. White ne there, me say there change am bo abrofo no, o de omo ye na botre. Eye ni trisu nwi. Omo ye white and you know that. Omo ni there. Na ya de o de ye dra no ho de kata no ho o de be before na kata no ho nti wono wa ye culture man wa ye righteous and we justice sana nyamete
nti titefo no na ye se nyame kan na no mo so
o mo sum nyame kan hu nyame Abraham hu nyame ena wo ba ya wo sum nyame a obi dada se utimi hu nyame ya wo de
na se na Abraham akwan ne yekunkum wa no nyame na Jesus ba obetwa ni nyina mu
dan no kre Jesus ba obetwa ni nyina mu no kre na mo wura Yesu e kon wan kasa Yesu nyame ya yehu no ba cho Yesu ta mo ni nyame ani nkomo nyame voice amese wie ma mo
se odi ne ho adanse
na adenti na wo de wo sum nyame hu hwe wo da so te wo unyi ni say Asian Persian religious beliefs system bi na wo Rosicrucian beliefs and amudi akire ya sum nyame kan yo ti na obi mi kasa me kira say metima ma nyame appear life metima akire am the Moses on earth.
Prophet Opata for Bushafo Kumasi online na mugusu amu hei and the Prophet Opata for the yenya studio ha some baby before na mrofo na ode ho history kakra atudwa amaye no prophet and some the doso minim yemfa no nsi ha na yento aso
afa waje atum se ba
waje watum agesi ade wa prove beyond kofi kura bro ni nsam wa chire wa pra ma osa
tienya
Prophet Opata for no kre
answer ye hwe kwa no onum live soup eno na honya me
Prophet Abza Prophet Opata for na mwate ne nka no prophet asem biemu e wo ho o prophecies ye kase ye ka ade be chi he afimu particularly in some wa broso ni nyina banade ababa ko sisi a na nsem na wo be ka se kuno ya twi fire buya na wo be ka se na ado the whole Africa had it. Nyamis Akaitro say ya pejano e de di Africa anim. We asen so de amama mpanyimfo bebre be bona baso. Ya kan na bi fi sa wo be ye politics e be ye no ma bi. Last week ya confirm ya ba the whole Africa ye de na si mapomas nyina so. Okay. President officially abada peja did the BBC baby CNN nyina South Africa de wana abon homodin pa ya liba president wa bon modin papa de na si Africa nyina so if you ask crotos online I see pefe baby obi a o nim obi anim de American da baby a
yet real
da baby na prophet Patafo ya na nsem bi se obeka na say why am I hu yo prophet Patafo e ba na fi so obeye politics but say ya afa baby a wi ase afa na nyina na eje ne samba o boje ne so sa prophet say na waka afa ho
dear me ka de nyame aka me dey me rasta man what you say
baby your dream is here
say me drew oh you can say rasta enyo boni o
say ya bibi mamu dey rasta na ntimi ntwem fa hwenu ma anya heavy
yo mboa eno ye evil belief can say rasta man righteous African stands tall alone that is rasta
e dey fi say ewi ni gu achifu ara jara na just what yes
yeah dey no enti yeah nam kronkron ye ni tri ni yom eni tusa na me nyame na me kan me nso mu abro fu Jesus
obaka say nyame se beka say wa pagya no
me sum the living Christ Yeshua Masa living Christ ona me di na chi. What you say? And I yes I grow muna mu nyame because mu adwene wo fa. Wonti me ne mo nkasa. Ono kasa so obebuom da yemba me ne di hwani mu. Bitin fra asasi kwatena so no matie die nyame beka. What you say? Ayen komode die. Nana mi busa nanado. But the way I know as a churches in so many ade no. Now I thought say bia or baby evil agenda bi.
Say what to tune solid.
Na me feel say bia nanado evil agenda. Dem person me rest assured. Titi nyame e ka say o ye say anan ne at once one na marines bombs agunu so. Nemom bibusa rad no so ndabi. Ino oba kira me adekodie die ntia. Nanado ye ma no ama opagya ne share sani munyam no. Why? Because I say oye bi makofo president kofo onye righteous because onye righteous no tell me me ka bibi but we ka say bi oye perfect intina me dey me ka sa dabi me nche say president kofo ye trini ni now the issue with nyame ne say so woni nipa san ya wodwene say e die be na nipa betimi aye ama no dia na wa ya boa me tano
nyame sa not here
on hwehwe
to always the obeya ama no no hwe
eno hwe dia wo dia obeya dia onfa ho say wo ni guess here for ni guess 15 ni dia no dia
enyo no
no guess
but dia wo ya ma nyame
dia na wo di pete nyankopon ni mu nyam
ene na awrade no hwe
eno no hwe etitama na manfo complain because obey ya Mose fan no onya no hwade asa data mu nto sa ni nua no criticize no
so wo ye kunukunu ni wo ye nyamedwuma
identina
na akwafa mpena
ti nyame kire om se mu ade nya no no wo hwe de Mose ye ma no but what you say enti tama president kufo betena so nyame ye ni the same thing adentia papa betena akonya so ye di Ghana 50 when Yashia Fama Ghana Maburu, one chat any electronic thing or whatever, and now why you be our same mamma dear
Bible. And no, that's so yummy.
Zadia no, yeah, no. And today the young guy said, in one way or the other, is far better than some of these pastors because he took the ability of this man to preach the gospel to all the youth in Ghana.
And no kwa so yummy.
And then the second thing, answer the president Kufuor time. No so newe. So far so for ko jina keke bomb pie.
Ko so mbo na ewe no.
Yes. And so nani. Di Kufuor time me shall come to others ya media ni munyamu abura ni munyam nyina so ama. Sata na mo house of faith. Akoso mo branch.
Na share sankom.
meni nipa me sofo maami ana meni no wo that time na me mpie nye he said na meni su kika na me wo house of faith Reverend Afred Yamiche ebinis na me book keyboard wo ho so na me catch of maami ni say so maami Janet say sofo mama who say sense no my year president Kofo and she knows say me obi me the mouthpiece from infancy so a jampa already catch president Kofo say all money didn't pa e woni pa no da de bia ka say bebo ni din e ho na ni ho
nti jamla na ho de no
what yes enti na so ba ye no ade oye o de wi ni nyame akoma e ye dan na o so obesi no
dan obesi
so dan ne keke
hey
yes
prophet Opatafo na dan kura so onyansi
no boost up who are good intentions about ineduma nyame mfa so ye bonsam or ye this but nyame person say dear na wo di eye promote moral values e society no eno pe enya nanado mo modin bia na mom sa de keke no ye na urade say me be mehwere ni munyam eno keke ena ma urade pecha abotire de nti say na Nigeria Zimbabwe Rwanda kra hemodi omobo Madagascar fo nyina ho no modo yesi apeja nanado da bi odo ye ma nyame ni ntia so me West Africa so yene bia bebo odin ma wiase mpanfo nyina abo abaso
nti nya yade na ase ye ntimi mu bebebe no
ede ba wuntimi
nam 8035
no ntudo ase na ewu African communities no dodo ase no so members ewu enya that thing bi ni urade na ti ono ka tra say Opatafo we hu ni say fatem mobra na me kai ha na urade ji say eti nya bibia say president bi international super say bi ogidi na nyame boda ba so that thing God is much concerned about what exactly you can do to affect the moral values of life in the society, and that is all. Yes, how we pe
prophet Opatafo
until we rade kind of season until the man make us say asem sense MPP ni bia mamska obia no
okra de obia ni mu
obia ni me na me kwa frame a
omfa omu ye fra omfa ye kra didi ye na ha bi
what you say entianu na ma sa de ne ye dey e ba ye
tinye se bibia
bibia ntachiri
prophet Opatafo
sa de ne pe
and some dey wa buru bi so afiye o na tu sisi na famous one ba ko eno de abrochefo ni dwa edwa amasumu no yes last mini be month muni na say incense bi awo bi mo beba abedi ni pani
okay
na da ba bomb pa ya wi coronavirus ho adwendwe be free ni patrim na no so tato
okay
ma me kram be ka say wo ya busiofo
okay
na sofo de da bia yi na e fi se bia wa kan ya hwe bi kura be twam asofo mpanfo be twam ntimi metena ya ni jeso
okay
ne ba week po say within sa week na epie wo India
okay
ena eja ya brompa ya ma no adwo
okay
esia mbebi sa prophet Opatafo
ma brompa ya ma
ya break him ano ya mpesa obaka sa ba prophet no shadana umma obi si India de je fansa na ade e ba na ya mpa ya na break ya de na ntimi mabi
asam kase oho
Dani mini dani ya jinamo mwa we omba ye wu
na menchiro
you go kono ya kwa ye hu bra ya bre na wo want say
say corona na
ya me bi ma we dey di empire pa
no mate see on say corona no first June in my year first one May 2nd 15 what you say
first June why them
chimu me chiro ade musu adani pattern any fear what you say in the first process akwanchire my any first second to 15th the 20th no by 19th but you never go 20th ni atwe ni mu nyina bro na firo afei na principalities too no mo aka no ombeko afei hu furo suro na dani pa mu ni mu adwendwe na dani pa me be free ni pa mu afei ni pa e free o ya be bie ni o ma be ntina am catch say June on say June popo ya AC nyina kire say there is a positive we say good ti min chantro na we no yenti asamu ane bae no me be kan no onyame e de me call spiritual world mi na saa susu ya so osofu ntimi nko
Prophet Opatafo
sofu
bi nyame do call
no
bifo bi ntimi
eye bi po chiri bi po your spiritual world be your friend Marys. Now your battalions be 1,000 times 1,000. Now, so when I don't know friend Armageddon war. What you say? Now me go who no. Na sa battalions no. Ya prepare wo mo a. Busa nyame say me free world one ana sa Marys no eye ade a hyebu pa secret a enipa bi enim gye so mo me hire mo be Lucifer. What you say? Enim enye normal nyame nda na di mfancho because Marys woni panko just said will possess extraterrestrial abilities. What you say? Eti me busa nyame no ka say we after sa corona re be kono principalities or move back assassin.
Asa abe tormenting nipa no. Into omo Marys for your principalities. Soldiers for mo bunu pa when this for mo deep ben Lucifer no betime hu ade kode no bia nani e bunu mu asem na America. Now here lies the case sa moa no hunti answer me be ka asem bi e for America for ho year 2020 meba ho
what you say na any sa moa no link
America for
any sa moa
we ntwina si America
any moa no link
prophet Opatafo wanchi na si a
yeah any moa we ni link what you say enti eno ana ma me tria mo say no there's something on the way. I'm call you. I'm one call. I want my belanchi woman. Yamid one by Yajuma Paba Buni Passe.
Prophet Opatafo.
Peseko.
Dear baby, answer. Some
person commit my tram them by Janibiti.
That's right. Huh? Sunny way.
Means you know.
Eba. Moya I say, Yajuano.
My breaky.
Your friend, the arms are no ajo.
It's in Pacho, my breaky.
Mean there, oh dear, mean Casses, and the ones here when he came every year. Yet nobody Ajuano Kakra. Momajo, America, the other Kahun. George Floyd, knew a coffin bassa, Osha Hong this week of year, young word you may be brave. Someone chewing cheer by America, yeah, more a bitch shall come say, into Cobbessy America, but would you Ujina kind pay face, and yan to a nye war na eba, and when China, President Neka who be na eba, America, Ocean come to 2020 prophecy, what kind? Abba. Kofia ye ho adwuma this week fa bom na ye hu de entia sa no mani nyina
no also me can say Lucifer na be yes sir
no ka say Lucifer na e be yes sir de na omo ban panyin na ama no ho kwan na de
answer man panyin no okasa most of ni speeches na no a sound racism meboa
on the on part to masem
meboa
ne kasa anye
okay enti me catch you say ne so na number dey
abeba
senka president wo mam enye racist obi betimi ayesa and abusa say eye na ena ai America for aku blacks eye na ena nko a ensi bebre one say ojo ne say esida
dabi videos kra omo no madada sisi omo aso abegumu
yes enti woni no me dey radi kasa na o de bi ko krunkrun bia say Lucifer koka asem bi kire nyame 2020 ye January no
efa America for ho
efa wiase wo do person ye wiase ene nyankopo ka chensa how many time to think about it ene okofa kire ni Lucifer Satan ye wa ana Satan ka say obeye ne hu say eja na Lucifer so aye ne hu say abemben aye good na ombe kabom na ombe kabom a ombe proti say jade agu amanamam na ombe din ka pro e de agu aye America and you want to know nyame so hu say it ka say the entire on say Trump ni deep power spiritual friend tipo Tipo. Yes.
Donald Trump.
Yes.
Need spiritual name.
Spiritual name, no.
Prophet Opatafo.
You catch it out.
Yeah, meet you.
Spiritual name, no. The entire yes, sir. Omo didn't jia Nyankopon atemwom.
Donald Trump.
Yes, omo didn't jia Nyankopon atemwom. Enti Donald Trump nan esisi Onyankopon bo hwe bia wasa na ne nkom hwe bia ahwe bia enam kwa atemwom bia ho na Trump nan si. Enti obe make sure say na temu ne wede ebebem enti nyame ampere no ti Lucifer ni Satan ka omhu bom no yesa no ene omu ade omu sa kan nyame se ne be na akoma be ne ya visa so Nyankopon asani wasasi so mankasa good wasani de ye de ne nsaka no to omu nsaka nyame akoma no ine omu ya ma ne ye ne ya ene Nyankopon kutu sei no de ni ti bot for ti sa ade o ma ye no
sama ka de mu odu
sha de ba no kura ne we so awo ti nyame de ni ti bot for mo no not once esum aduru wiase ene ye Lucifer ene Satan de if you say moja bebrebe na mu ahwe agu what you say enti anu no ina mu no say saani ama na asie na omre be start America ntino e de hu agufuo ekokoto nyame anim na Nyankopon si America fo fom to mu bu na no mbu ne nsa bubu ne nai ena mbu na tabu ntafa America ntimi ntubiem obeka nsensemu afa no obeye mra ebe favor bibifo na mbu sa rari said zeni mu ma no ode abofo no su na wo su ebe sida be no August by August somewhere 15 18 19 20 no now ma sign krata ebe favor bibifo
America
yes enti Lucifer so di nanim ko bo ebusudie kru wanim to peja nanim na nanim aye moa back basa ti say sa magot no na opiti nanim si a magot no prugu abanamam enti ba bia magot no bi bet tobia no obeti atantan de ensamuel bruso na atwini pakoma enu ti no man kubroni no nkum bibini because bibini no ye nyame de ya na honam na koma ene nyame wo ba afi so ba ya bibifo ba na watra hwa ne ye de saka bibifo ne ye de ye ku o didi na ba ye ti na ma Nyankopon di na bufo di ni mu ma bo ho enti sa ma ho no mbo ye no e ho cha pa no kra ye mpanfo di onu na ne ade ne pa ye no ene kra nya yizo o se o di chenchi aframa jejeje ye o je si ade ene o di be ka bom me no ka say 5 days ahead ena sa asem no ebesi
wa he
eye wiase mrono ba bia
ode dan na eba
wo di chinsia from enam ensuom obati ensu atogua abu edan we agu nipa so enframa we abowei abu se yegu ode be yesa de no efrise o mama papa ndi ni ti abofom eye yes eye abufuom ena wo Lucifer ni we nso aye papa ne sa se ne be ya ne bubefu na tamuo na Trump na sisi mu ebebem until I'm sure America there will be something no but in your war na the see America anya America ko be sim ya bebrebe
before them rough on
yes before them rough on say hey
the visa America for na enya
na be be sim ya bebrebe before hey it be huru nyame bo ene this are oyone no nsuo na jamfan do dia me no kase na efiada na de say and now you 5th May June.
No, Friday 5th May, yeah.
5th
June.
The 5th June, yeah, and then no di kase. Ni just 3, 4, 5 days time, ebe start over. And from me be mother be bobu dayagum ebe bunu ya.
Ewa brochire fa na.
Eye baby ya na bufu na for baby ya. Afa baby.
Na me bufu.
Afa baby ya.
And now enu na o twe send no na ya tete sansam ya.
Ya tete aba. Be budia bikra but ya sasia power how we are say if you say o ma hye na huro ndia no na nkanye we no di ba o na nka de ba de sosene we but as ya patrol but onyame ntim fana ni we panyini iso ye bibi kaka
what dey achempo no
what dey ache we do so we
eno fra mane asanse bi ebe buru da agu no
kopim say on be science animal hey spiritual dey are discuss what about we so fun ko ho sha wetima ko nyame anim wala sisi yesey
enti muwa ne so de na
muwa ne de ande baba munya abotre corona na katu
yempe wo de ye nya abotre sa ase ye hwe ni
mompe
ya wo bia esi anu ko
ye nya abotre tam ne nya so tam no so na ye yi omu pia baba be kire mu de mba ye wo wiase
no money be more
embo so wa senso dia omo ti bi ogu a woni nyame asenso dia
money e beba bibire mu nyina
ha
me just do Habakkuk bi twa no how atenti ni pabra bo enti na me pesa be kam wan asem no ba ku bi so ende no wura hwe nyina tra condition na be me who the opera o de enya mo an ho asa prophet enti America de asi wo ye ne nyina be ko brofo man ni
be ko brofo man ni nyina so de e be si no e ade asi spiritual Tinam catch said they should advise their president. Not that they enti enu no mudi be dua temu mu nyina chief ewiase nyina no. Me no ka say ye nyina ya no be tene. Ni aka say we want peace in the world. They be sign it. Omba yan kata de timtim. Now they will do a lot to favor before.
You see omomra na mu denden na be favor before.
Be favor before. No ma go omu nsam ansa na justice are starting. Because nyame ho
afide mu nsam dosu o
say o just o ben obi ono ben nyame nya sa unti bi da me na meti ma ka kire we nya sofo asemu me nya sofo unti afato ho anete
prophet opatafo
me no
abuja afọ ya mle na ya me by prophet opatafo na de ya wura mu afide na de asensam no favor bi before more
dabi o
ana asase no say ya de o mo de ya nko asa
mo de na adwene no na problem and the problem came from the sectors of politics
ana dia bibi manya asa besina
ya dia ya ka bible a ya bibi for story nya me kopon na the way na ya na we die ko we gina ho ma yedie nhira animunyam the riches and no but the main purpose of a black thing a righteousness, justice, and culture. No white man has any defined culture. Only culture be a.
Right, I was for prophet opata for now, Martin and Kano. Or the from Bibri and Chay, the best I am than I am. But prophet, then I'll catch at all.
Mechia Ghana and paying for Onyami Azuli and Kangana for Mechia Madofo, Obi Ayadam Yamia down, Yadam cram them Yadam. Aye. Na Nyame Azuli and Count, Yami. Unshra why Zroya no ahwe hu bebrebe unti edaso ompa bomu a me di ma man o don tem nka no me si fa obi bia fa whatsapp messages o de fa ho me tie wa me respond e man nwa short we ni pe mu wiase over 50 60 70,000 people over the world but just shorten everything. I believe South America for no more existent pursuit and affected by our recent before na make recent racism anti-black demonstration ya omo yi sure hu shiri ye mam why na onyame inshira mesraw seri enda no ba money na da ho be man bia ayo no
and prophet me ban sansa no aba o ye so me na wo se me kakura ansa na ya shi program na se president Nanado or yipuma kwam say mutimi ya asole e no de na aka fa ho ansa na wo se nkamde wo sha ase
asole de ye
now what build the
maybe they mean because maybe most of the members near international
you me about a more than 2 minutes now look at for no if we say
I am protecting the local people because anything can happen. These people have over faith, we call it over faith to corona crew say me go patafo
so we do eja
corona brem ye nya sa
nti won so won mi asole
ndabi mi asole ntumu
oh sa to obi hwehwe okra wo
obi hwehwe mi ande on kire mi
on fro on your voice
me fa WhatsApp mi tie nu na me hu sa ade ohwehwe no e mu so a me na me kura me fa so a me na ye dey ehu mi na sorry dey me so senate emma nya abotre wate corona no di agro na bi chi wa ho enya chiketwa
they say brawa brasa wa solomani bebre ti ana be so ba bi o matum no
nabi
ase corona virus ahunu akakra o
me di enro mi o metima ya sorry o
ase wa bre ho ase wo solomani na wo no ha no o ma tetu kakra nti ehu bia bo
ehu bia mo mi
sa
she corona problem enkofo to be papa me coronavirus we yesi so far coronavirus problems are ba me so
anything na bo hu
that now said that thing is real but so one fa on say adom ho but say nyansa ni nimdi anya adwuma wo de wo mu edu ati beku amanem no was such a what do kokoswa nyame hunu say me international service me local service abroche for the doors for me ministry mu this year me be the two obi coronavirus abroche o vip say me call pata for it memra no so no dey aya asole ba ansana odi betu me dey me brosco ta be ko na asole ba dey
so wo hwe wo
nya say me ye adwuma mpre nu enti
this year dey also until 20th June now obebo wonder say
me hwe kura sa dey atuom kopim say from June 20th me come and go see month bi
Osis August
September
mu ho na wo be sha ase aka
Biatum, me am free me pim, biatum.
For now, they will be Bibia on your message.
Bibia message. I mean, time Zenit, mamma, Yadam, but Monka, who yame, Munti, Nameho. Remember, some of you mistake you cry, the Makotuama name. Yabaya, sorry. And Unti, and I say, Minim Sayana Mafimi. Every week, be a brown messages.
Zenit
TV. Subscribe to Facebook, Prophet Butterfly Zenit TV. Come to Facebook. Don't hesitate to come to Facebook. Come and then subscribe. And then YouTube too at the same time. Zenit TV. Ya launch it. Bromo de nebra na debia inspirational messages na koso. Enti sanity.
Yamra o ye no so.
Oh, you need the biaba.
Last week ube ye say mama na o.
Sir,
manna. Pressure out the other Thomas on one. Me a group of people can say my friend and he said, on so come and see me so na me one. Mr.
Ebiaba.
And did that be mom when I see how yes I na pressure on Thomas on.
I feel me yin na epi. Me ye ho adwuma. Aka sunsun ba ko me de bewura. Me de bewura mu nyame ya.
Ya ready.
Na bi me de bewura mu nyame ya aduma Sunday anajo 12. And Monday anopa 6. Now Lord Lord of Justice, final judgment. No, Ruach Mamelela. Yes,
and a lot of justice now.
Are you ready?
Oh, okay. I'm just for Prophet of Patafon and Motain in Kano. Danny boy, the CEO. Then the pressure. So last week was your boss or the Prophet Bampa or the CIO or the Prophet Abaya Danas. Minim say next week so obese see so no so ye face you ye betwe na ba. Kofoku abrano ma minu aba akopɛ. And then Babu some the doors so Kofi papa ni nyina ma atire ya bibifo ye nchi me din dey say Kofi. We be here next week. Bye bye.